Understanding trading price of a stock from basic to expert. In the basic, we will discuss about the viewpoint of trading price. When we will go for trade, at first we watch the price of a stock, then we take a decision to buy or short a stock for trade. On the stock exchange, the share price is shown on the big screen. Many new trader or investor doesn't have proper idea about the big screen price. At market hours on the big screen, we notice that the price changes rapidly into red and green light. About the price on the big screen, the beginners thought that they can take buy or short position at the big screen price. Few people also think that bid price and ask price are around the big screen price. But actually the big screen price represents that the latest or last trade executed at the big screen price between one or many buyer and seller. So at market hours, there are lots of trade executed. That's why it changes rapidly into red or green. For taking a trade you should go into the particular stock, there you find market depth. At there you can take your trade at the current rate or market price, and you can also place trade at the price of your choice. That's the basic of trading price. If you want us to explain the basics of trading price in more detail or discuss about market depth, then let us know below in comment. And your like react on our video that can help to promote, which is the motive to making video for you. So let's move to expert level of trading price, where we will discuss about our decision making mistake of trading price and also more. Many investors also choose their price wisely. They took decision according their past experience. But after many years experience, before or after taking a trade, many people developed a mindset that when the price will become correct, then my trade will get profitable. Here, we don't go into the trade get profitable or not. For being a professional trader or investor, a strong mindset is required in short or long-term trading or investing. Especially, everyone thought, I will build a strong strategy to beat the market. Which is also true, if you can, you should do. Now, let's look into both sides of a bull and bear perspective about trading prices. Don't assume that for becoming a bull, you don't need to go long or buy the stock always. Minimum requirement is that they have a positive views on the company or the company's stock price. Vice versa for bear. In trading, I also developed the mindset that my stock price will getting correct for a profitable trade. I also think that whoever trade against my price is stupid. Like, price opens at $100, low is $80 and the current rate is $120. The chart is seen like bubble. At $120, I go for short or sell because of my trading decision. There I thought whoever buying at $120 is stupid. We don't go into that who is smart or stupid. Either we look into what is correct seen behind the price. That should help to take our trading decision wisely. Similarly, when I traded at a particular price where someone bet against my trading price and they maybe thought whoever trades against the price is stupid. That is me who is stupid of others' perspective. But I have my own reason for the trade. So according to market trading price viewpoint, from mindset that price will get incorrect in future and the current price is trader's mistake, I change my mindset into current price is correct in every time frame. Then it will react to traders' bull and bear perspective and many more factor. What are the factors that we will discuss in next episode? You may also ask about same question about when an operator manipulates the price. Then what is wrong and right price in the situation? What we will discuss later. We can also ask, what the price correct mindset cost your trading efficiency? We told you that for this mindset, we don't take our trading decision not wisely. Sometimes only keeping this mindset, we go for trade. Maybe some people also look for technical like RSI, MACD and many more. Basically I don't use technical. for its own reason. Like someone uses small size knife to cut salad, and other uses big size or other tools. Here, I want you to only focus into that everyone has a separate individuality or their own understanding ability, nothing more. Although I do not use technical, but I have knowledge of it because I used to use technical in the early trading days. Take our example, many use RSI. 30 level RSI means buy and 70 RSI means sell. Many use the level of RSI in different level for buy and sell. If you want, I will discuss about technical in next episodes. Let us know below in comment. Okay, now let's come to our question. What cost us? For keeping this bad mindset, our analytics strength will not become much enough about the market price or current rate. I already just told you that what factors made us to take our trading decision. If your trading decision don't made from technical or the correct price mindset, that's not mean your analytics is right. Also, some people watch news, market depth for trade. In next episodes, we will discuss what the factor made price ups and down. We can also ask, how to detect this kind of mindset is present in you? Some people may think that they don't have this mindset and never heard of it, but that does not mean that they don't act like the mindset. Because these kinds of things we don't learn by listening anywhere, they are mostly made in our subconscious mind. So we are going to discuss how subconscious creates this mindset. I just named this mindset, price correctness mindset. I didn't describe the properties of it. In stock or crypto market, we go for trade for your future profit. Let's take an example. Suppose we take our buying position at $100. When the price will become more than $100, if we sell then we get our profit. Simple. According to this trade, we predict a price which will happen in future. We wouldn't go into that this trade will become profitable or not. So with your future profits in mind, we do not always value the consequences of current rates. It's not meant that we should not think about our profit. I just inform you the properties of this mindset and why we developed this mindset. It is a natural bad mindset that is created in subconscious because of our profit thoughts, and also we don't much aware the properties of this mindset. If you'd like, we'll cover the properties of the mindset in more details. Let us know in the comments below. But I like the young traders whose motivation are too high. Their thinking is that whatever the current rate is, I can predict future prices. What makes them invincible trader, but can't make them Ray Dalio? I also appreciate the motivated attitude. You also know that to make a healthy economy from a developing economy, the most important factor is positive motivation of population. But motivation don't works for long, consistency does. That's why motivation in short-term trading is worked very good. Thank you guys, nice to meet you. Our YouTube channel is in early stage. If you like the content, keep in touch with our channel. I was observing market for many years. I will also discuss about my journey in some Q&A video. Please share the experience with your social network for helping us to grow. You can also apply the same mindset in crypto trading or other trade. This is the trading price mindset what I learned in my journey. If you want, we will elaborate trading price in more details and much more at next episodes.